Welcome back. Today is a special day. Finally, something I've been wanting to. I've been keeping it a little secret for a while. Some people knew, a lot of people didn't know. Something that has to do with that car right here. So let's get into it. I did just wash the car. I know every time I get in on this, the car is dirty. I did just wash the car and then it rained right after, and then I had to drive to work and it was messed up. All right, first of all, as you know, as most of you know, my transmission is broke. So I was getting this fixed. It's gonna get fixed. I have a stage 2 built transmission from Ben Colomer coming in. Beautiful, beautiful. We got this McLeod RST 800 horsepower clutch. That'll be going in as well with an aluminum flywheel and a braided stainless steel clutch line as well. And it comes with this nice tool to help you get that fitting right. But look at how you came to see this video. The whole reason. Side. We get this out the wrapper real quick for you guys. So this here, I know it looks like a big turbo, but it's not. It's a centrifugal supercharger, which means it's a belt driven turbo. So in a way, it technically is a turbo, but it's belt driven. See in the back. But you know, you got that yin yang spinny thing right there. And this will be going on the car as well. Hoping to make some nice horsepower with this. Now, if you know Vortec, Paxton is made by Vortec. Now I like this over the Pro Charger because it faces the front. It looks better. One, I think it looks a little bit better because the weight, everything works towards the front, and all the intake stuff is in the front, and the housing all faces towards the front. Whereas the Pro Charger kind of faces towards the back. And for most Pro Charger kits, for the money, this makes more power. For the ones that are in the same range, whereas people have gotten 1,000 out of this pretty easy. So that's what we're going to be doing with the car in the next coming weeks. This is what we'll be doing. So stay tuned for that. It just looks so nice today. Yet the Paxton can't go in. Soon after I get the trans in, I mean the trans is already on its way. As soon as I get it installed in the car, then I can start putting the Paxton on. I'm probably gonna put it on myself, to be honest. Besides that, we'll be good to go. And just in time for race season, we're gonna get some 15-inch rims on here, 15-inch wheels, and a bias ply tire, and we're gonna really see how she moves after that. Hopefully all this corona stuff blows over. Everybody stay safe out there, stay clean, stay away from large crowds. Yeah, if you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed any of the videos you've ever seen of mine, if you're looking forward to the build, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.